This is Awkward Occurrence with Awkward Entertainment. So it turns out this boy named Ethan is not actually a 30-year-old man. At least according to one YouTuber under the name Cracking Cases, Ethan is a 16-year-old high school honor roll student. His truck was given to him by his now deceased grandfather. So the person who came out with that rumor, we are gonna hook them up to an imaginary lie detector test on Murray and find out if this Ethan character is really 30 years old and what their motives were if he isn't 30 years old for putting his name out there on social media. So let's get this started. First question: did you intentionally put Ethan's picture out there to gain views and followers and cause mass confusion amongst social media users? She says no, and
Oh, the lie detector determined that was a lie.
of course it's a lie. It's been days, and no evidence has been produced to show that Ethan is some 30-year-old guy who stays in Tennessee or even visited Tennessee. Ethan, in no way, shape, or form, is involved in the Summer Wells disappearance.